This 2002 Ford Ranger is offered by East Carolina Auto Exchange. Priced at $4,995, this Ranger is ready to sell. This 2002 Ford Ranger has just over 231,535 miles. Call us at 252-321-6113 or stop by our lot. Find us at 3825 S. Charles Boulevard in Greenville, North Carolina, on our website, or check us out on carsforsale.com.